All right, so do you guys remember the law of cosines? Anybody actually remember this thing?
It was like.
Wait, hang on. I need a standard triangle first, right? So here's a triangle,
Yeah, I remember what it was.
right? And this triangle has,
And the angle was projecting.
you see, I'm going to call these A and B and
And
C.
so call the angle that's adjacent, projecting A, angle A.
Okay, so call the angle that's projecting A, angle A. And the angle that's projecting C should be angle C. And the angle that's projecting angle B should be, or side B.
Angle B.
Yeah,
Should be D.
It should be
Of course.
Jim. Angle Jim. Okay. Right.
Okay.
And then it's like A over the cosine of A, or A cosine of A over A, or something.
Damn.
No.
So close, my friend.
Is it the?
That's the law of,
Sine.
that's the law of sides. Because it has
Oh,
sides in
now I
it.
remember. It was like the equation one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so this is like the equation one.
They're all equations.
Do you remember it?
I think.
Okay,
Is
hit
it
me.
C squared
C squared equals,
equals
A squared.
A squared plus B squared.
okay, so far this is the Pythagorean theorem, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's 4 too.
Okay,
Minus
so
4,
it's the Pythagorean theorem adjusted by,
4ac.
No.
For a yeah.
Cosine.
there's a cosine,
For
400. 100.
no, it's
50.
there's no 4.
it's not a 4.
Cosine of C, right?
1/2.
Cause yeah, it's cosine of C,
Okay, it's cosine of C, that's for sure.
and then there's an A B.
There's an AB,
2.
Oh, 2.
it's
Yeah.
minus 2. AB cosine C.
Sick.
So it's the Pythagorean theorem adjusted by a factor of 2 because
That's how it worked out.
2 is the first prime number.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I know that it's, but is that really why it's?
No.
Okay. He's lying.
No,
to
that's
us.
because there's a, we'll go see if we can find
You're
it.
like, really?
And then A and B, right, so that's these two sides.
Yeah.
And then the cosine of the angle in between the sides.
Can you prove
So let me double check that this works for the obvious case.
that? Okay.
So what was the obvious case? I know
The right angle.
yeah, I know when C's a right angle, this should be the Pythagorean theorem, right?
Yeah.
You guys see that?
So true.
So if I put 90 degrees in for C,
Yeah.
what's cosine of 90 degrees? 0. So that whole part zeroes out. And cool, I got the Pythagorean theorem in one case. I checked it. It must be true. If you're going to go into engineering, that's good enough.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Engineers do have this tendency, just slight tendency, to like check things in one case and then move on. If you're going to check in one case, you should make sure that the angle isn't pi over 2, that the numbers don't include 0, 1, or 2. Okay? Because little coincidences happen with those things. At any rate, let's see if we can prove this. So, how would I go about trying to demonstrate this? Thoughts? Oh wait, let me, yeah.